Hello everyone, I am Sonali. In this part, you will learn structure. What is structure? Structures are the user-defined data types. Okay, let's see the definition of structure. A structure is a collection of elements of either same or different data type referred by a same name, referred by a common name. Okay, what is the syntax of declaration of structure? Struct, this struct, struct is a keyword. Then here the structure name means the tag name. And here you can declare the data type member 1, member 2 up to member n. And close here your structure. You can declare the variable here also or on a next line also. Okay, int roll number, character name of 20, float marks. These are bind together with a common name student. Different data type int, char and float. You can use the same data type also here. Declaring structure variables. There are two ways to declare the structure variable. You can declare the structure variable immediately after this curly bracket and then give the semicolon. Or you can use this way. Declare the structure here. On the next line, write the struct keyword, then your tag name and here elements. S1 is the element of the student structure. Initialization of variable. You can do the initialization of variable like this. Here, after this s1 equals to, here you can give the value to this variable. Okay, means name, this roll number and next is mark. Or you can initialize variable here struct student, here your element name and here pass the value for this variable. There are two ways, you can use any way. Accessing structure element. How to access structure element? We are using the dot operator to access the structure element. See, for the name, the value is this. For roll number, value is this. And for marks, value is 70.8. Suppose you want to access the name of the student, then at that time, write s1 dot name to access. Use this dot operator to access the structure elements. You can declare the one structure inside the other also. Okay. Suppose the structure is struct subject name and mark. Here the structure student, character name, roll number, percentage. You can call this here. Okay, struct subject sub1. Okay, means sub1 is an element of structure this having a subject name and marks. Okay, in this way you can use the nested structure. Array of structure. We know that what is an array? Array of collection of similar data types. And what is structure? Collection of different data types referred by a common name. So we can use both together. See, here is a structure, character name, roll number, plus mark. We are creating the elements like struct student S1, S2, S3. Okay. This is a structure having a different data types, collection of different data types. But we know that array is collection of similar data types. Here we are using the one array of structure. Okay. S of 5 means what? 5 elements S1, S2, S3 up to S5 of same data type student, struct student. Okay. We can use these structures with the functions. We can pass entire structure as an argument to the function, or you can declare the global structure and you can use it in the functions. Let's see the example of these. Save this file first. Here we are writing the program for accessing structure elements. Okay, declare the header file first. Then write here your function int. You can use the int or you can use the void. Void main. Here we will declare one structure. Struct student. Okay, this is a structure name. Int roll number. Suppose this is int roll number. then character character name having a different character, so character array. Then float marks. Okay, close the structure here to the semicolon. Okay, on the next line we will declare the structure element. Here write struct student S1. Okay, S1 is an element of type structure. Here write the statement printf enter the roll number, comma, name and marks of student. Okay, we are accepting the data for the single student. So write the here, then write the scanf to read the data. So %d, okay, %d for what? Roll number. Then %s for name and %f for the marks. Okay. And here accept the data, or you can access the data one by one. First, address of roll number. So S1 dot roll number. Then address of S1 dot name, comma, address of S1 dot marks. Okay, complete this. And then display this information. Okay, accept this information from the user and display this information. So let's change the message. Display the roll number name. Here no need to give the address. Okay, roll number, then /n on a new line %/n %, because I want formatted output. So do some changes and remove this sign and %sign. And here get ch to close the program. Okay, first save this file. Go to file and click on a save to save, and then compile this file. Click on a compile and click on a run to run this file. Here enter the roll number. Suppose roll number is 101. Name of the student is this, and the marks is 67. You can enter it in decimal formattation. Okay, display the roll number, name and marks of student. Okay. By mistake I have written here scanning. So it's accepting the information again. Okay, so right here printf. Okay, check this printf, save your program, then compile and run one more time. Here we are not using the CLR SCR statement. That's why this previous program output is here. Okay, so use the CLR SCR to clear the previous program output. So I'm giving here input 101 roll number, then name and then marks. Okay, here is your data, roll number. Our next program is, now let's see how to use array with structure. How accessing structure element, or you can change the name, array of structure. Okay, next program is the array of structure. We know that array means what? Collection of similar types of elements. And structure means what? Collection of different types of elements referred by a common name. Okay, this is a structure. Here we are using the int also and char also. Now we will try to use this array and structure together. Okay, struct student. This is a structure data type. Here S1 of 3. S1 is our array. Okay. S1 is an element of this student structure. Okay, we are creating S1 of 3. 3 elements of similar type, means the 3 structure elements. Okay, we can create S1, S2, S3, but if there are the n elements, need to access the data n times. So it is lengthy. Okay, so how to reduce this work? We are using here array. Okay, S1 of 3 means we can access this data 3 times. See here, for I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Here, printf, enter the name. First accept the name, get as s of I dot name. See, after this s of I dot name, here I am using f plus stdin because here we are taking the data of 3 records, roll number, name 3 times. So I am using this f plus stdin to flush the entered data. Okay. Next, enter the roll number. Here roll number is address of s1 of I dot roll number, and here f plus stdin again. And then again I equals to 1 for second record, accept the data. For the third record, again accept the data. And after this, here display the structure information. Okay, no need to do this statement, just I use it for the checking. Okay, display structure information. Here name and roll number. After name, do the slash t because a record one after the other, so we are giving the horizontal space. Okay, I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Here display s1 of I dot name. Don't write inside this the name and roll number because we are using the for loop. So write here only name and roll number and display the data here. Let's compile this program. Click on a compile and compile this program. Click on a run to run this program. Enter the name. Suppose name is this, roll number is 1. Next name is this, roll number is 2. Next name is and roll number is 3. Okay. See, here is your information, display structure information, name and roll number. First Amar, second student name is Sonali, roll number is 2, third student name is Rupa and roll number is 3. In this way, you can accept and display information of an record using the array. You can use the array with the structure. Let's see one more program of structure, how to use structure with function. How to use the structure and functions together? See here, I am using the one function void display int comma character pointer. Why character pointer? We are displaying the string. Okay, void main. Here is construction struct student int roll number character name. Here struct student. Here is a element of the student. Okay, student s1 equals to, you can declare the data in this way also. Here you can declare the roll number and your name. You can initialize the data in this way also, or you can accept from the user. Here, give the call. See, give the CLR SCR after this variable initialization. Then CLR SCR display. Display is our function. Display first we require the int. So s1 dot roll number comma s1 dot name. Do this. Don't pass directly roll number and name because we can access this data with the help of dot operator only. So s1 dot roll number, s1 dot name. So after this, it will jump and it will find the definition of this function void display int a character pointer b, and here display roll number and the name. Roll number inside this and name inside this, and then close your program. Let's compile this program. Run this. Okay, here is your output, roll number 101, name Amar. Let's see one more program for this. Here is the one program in which we are declaring the structure outside the main function. This is known as global structure declaration. you can declare outside the function. Okay, this is the program of global structure declaration. Okay, we are using the function in this program. Okay, struct student roll number character name. Okay, here is a character name. Then we are using the same function void display. Here we are passing the entire structure as an argument. How to pass entire structure as an argument to the function? See, struct student. Struct is our data type and student is our name of this variable of structure type. Void main, here struct student s1 equals to 101 and the one set of character one string is Amar. Okay, and then clear string. Here give the call to the function display and s1. Here we are passing the structure element as an argument. We are trying to pass the structure as an argument. And where is the definition of this? See, definition is here. Display struct student s1. Okay, you can do the here different names s1, roll number and the name. Okay, see, first declare the structure outside the main function, that is global declaration of the function, global declaration of the structure. Then here is function declaration. Then initialize the structure element. Then call to this function and pass this entire structure as an argument. Then definition of this structure, definition of this function, and then close your program. In this way, you can use the structure with the function, structure with the array. Thank you.